Hello everybody, this is Rob Maldonado from Design Point, and here I have 5 new features in SOLIDWORKS 2018 that will turn you into a workflow speed demon. So going to my next slide, you could see this is a little overview of what we'll be looking at. So with wasting no time, I'll go to our first thing. We'll take a look at the new folder icons. So here I have an assembly, and I'll direct you over to the left side over here. And you could see that the folders actually have new icons. So it could be clear for hidden. It'll just be regular blue for when everything's showing. And it will show combinations of things. So this folder just has all suppressed components, so you have a gray one. But this one has all 3. So just at a glance, we're able to see what kind of file each folder contains. And we can work it appropriately. And just like that, I have all my sprockets back. Pretty cool. I'll go on to the next one. So yeah, let's go check out those dozen mouse gestures. So if I right click and I drag, I will get this wheel, and we could see it actually has been updated. So now I have up to 12 items in your mouse wheel. This is very powerful, as you could see. More options, more fun, more speed. Going to the next thing, we're good. Going to the next thing, I'll show you how we can go ahead and hide faces when mating in an assembly. So going back to SOLIDWORKS again, I'm just going to control drag just to get another one of these guys. And I'm just going to go into our mate command. And I want to put this down on this pegboard here, so I'll select the face of the pegboard. But now, the old days, I would have to turn it around to see the other side. Not anymore. So, new in SOLIDWORKS 2018, I can select this face. If I hit Alt, it'll actually hide that top face. So now I'm looking at the bottom, and you can see these are the holes as seen from the inside. So can go Shift Alt to re-hide them, and I'll show you again. So looking really closely, look at the holes. Hit Alt, that face is hidden. And selecting the bottom face from the top is the same as selecting it from the bottom. So I can just go ahead and click that, and it'll place it down for me. I don't have to waste time moving the display like that just so we can go ahead and select those. We'll make assembly modeling much faster. Going back into here, I think the measure tool got a pretty cool enhancement that seems to be looked over. So going to our evaluate, getting our measure tool popped up over here. So here's our measure tool. I can go ahead and, just as always, go ahead and get a length. But it's pretty cool that if I hover over this, I will get a little copy display. If I hit that, yep, it copied to my clipboard. So I know this is not a very logical place to put it, but if I booted up a new feature and I needed to use that relevant dimension, I can just paste it right in, right from the copy tool. Very cool stuff indeed. And lastly, I'll show you how we can press T to select over geometry. And what I mean by that is, let's go back here. If I wanted to try and select all these components from the top, but not get the pegboard, it was kind of difficult. I can't do it from here, so I have to kind of negotiate with what I have with the model. Maybe something like that. And if I wanted to include these ones, you see this guy kind of gets in the way. So what I can do is I'll press the T key on my keyboard, and I can just select over geometry like that. I'll do it one more time. Press T. And you can see, instead of selecting the face, it just brings me straight to my highlighting. Very cool. So I don't have to, orient the model in some strange way and get all that geometry. It's just one keyboard key away. And with that, I hope you like this look into some of the speed related features in SOLIDWORKS 2018. So I thank you for listening. You know, find us at www.design-point.com. Feel free to email us, and we have social media. Just Design Point on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and of course we have a YouTube channel. So feel free to check that out. I thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time.